using Medusa tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at couple of points, that what is Medusa tool and how we can use it. We will also perform FTP cracking using Medusa. So now you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and inside Kali Linux operating system I am going to show you that how you can use Medusa for password cracking. First of all, we can check here that the FileZilla is running inside Windows 10 operating system or not. So now inside Windows 10 operating system you can search for FileZilla, hit FileZilla server interface. Now you need to connect it again, click connect, and now FileZilla is working inside Windows operating system. Now you can refresh it and it should provide you the authentication again. Here it is, right? So it means FileZilla is running inside Windows 10 operating system. Okay, now you can go back to the Kali Linux. So we are here at Kali Linux operating system, and we are going to use password cracking tool Medusa inside it. So if you can click on applications, if you select password attacks, then you can find out Medusa tool right here, right? So you can click here and you can learn more about Medusa. Let me zoom it for you. So this is Medusa, right? And these all are the options available which can be used with Medusa, that you can read about it. If you want to read more about Medusa, then let me first clear it. Then you can type man space Medusa. It is a manual command to get information about tools. Hit enter, and here is Medusa. So what is Medusa? Medusa is parallel network login auditor. Alright, so this is the auditor which is used to perform network login inside it. This is the synopsis of Medusa. Medusa, then -h for file, -u for username, -p for password, and then m for module. So you can see in the description that Medusa is intended to be a speedy, massively parallel modular login brute force. It means if you want to perform brute force attack on a protocol or on a service, then you can use Medusa. The goal is to support as many services which allow remote authentication, right? Like FTP, that FTP supports remote authentication. It means I can access FTP from anywhere in my network, right? So this is a tool which can be used for performing brute force attack in FTP, right? So how we can use it? Let me close everything here and let me open Medusa again. Open the terminal, and inside you can type Medusa -h and hit enter. So you can gather information about the Medusa syntax. This is the Medusa syntax, right? Medusa -h provide the host or the IP address here, -u for username, -p for password, and -M space FTP. So this is the command to perform password cracking in FTP, right? Now let me show you that how you can do this. So let me clear it. First of all, you can come down and hit enter. So I've cleared it. Now FTP is running inside Windows 10 operating system and we need to crack it using Medusa. So you can type here Medusa -h. Here you need to provide the IP address of the Windows, which is 192.168.0.5. You can check yours and type here. After that -u, here you need to type the username. So first of all I'm giving the username here. After the -P, here you need to provide the password file, right? So let me create a password file again. Let me open the leaf pad, and here let me try like admin, guest, root, Sunil, Rocky, anything you can type, and you can click save. You can click save as. Let me save it on desktop with file password.txt, right? And then you can click save and you can close it. Here is the file password.txt. You can double click and open. These 5 entries are inside it. Alright, now you can open the terminal here. After that, you can provide the path of the password file here. So the path of the password file is /root /desktop/ the name of the file, which is password.txt space Then you need to provide the protocol or service where you are attacking. So dash capital M, and FTP is the service here. So Medusa dash H, provide the IP address, dash U, provide the username, dash capital P, provide the path of the password file, dash capital M, and provide the protocol here, right? And now you can hit enter and just wait here. So now it will perform basically the brute force attack on file transfer protocol inside Windows 10 operating system. So here you can see that now it is checking one by one. It is not as fast as Hydra tool. Hydra is the fastest, but this is not as fast as Hydra, but it provides reliable result, right? So if you want to get reliable result, if you don't want to get any fake result, this is the best tool, right? So first of all, you can see it is checking the username Sunil and password is admin, which is incorrect. Now it is checking username Sunil and the password is guest, which is also incorrect. Now it is checking Sunil with the password root, which is also incorrect. Now it will check if, and here you can see that it is saying that username is Sunil and the password is also Sunil. So account found, right? Host is this, which is Windows 10 IP address. Username is Sunil and password is Sunil, and success. So we got a success message. It means it has successfully performed brute force attack on the login of file transfer protocol. It was slow, but it gave us reliable result. It didn't give us any fake result, right? So we got the right username and password, Sunil and Sunil. Now you can try with, because we have directly provided the username here, I can also create a username list here. Let me try with that one. So let me minimize it and let me create a username list. So you can click on leaf pad and you can type any username list, for example admin, guest, rock, and let me type the right one here, Sunil, and you can save it on desktop with name username.txt, right? And click save. So we have also created username.txt file here. This is username.txt on desktop. Let me open the terminal here and let me try. So you can type here Medusa dash H, now IP address of Windows, which is 192.168.0.5. So here I'm providing you a second technique where you have no idea about username. So you have the list of username as well as password. So after that, dash capital U, right? It was small u, but if you are providing a list here, then you can make it capital. After that, provide the path of username, which is /root /desktop /username.txt, right? Space dash capital P, provide the password list, which is /root /desktop /password.txt, space dash capital M, and FTP is the protocol. So Medusa dash H, host, type the IP address of Windows, dash capital U, space the path of username file, space dash capital P, space the path of the password file, dash capital M, module, and which protocol we are attacking on, FTP or file transfer protocol. And now you can hit enter. Now it will take more time because we have given two password lists here, one for username and one for password, right? So it will take double time to get information about username and password. So now it is checking one by one from username, one from password. So it is checking admin and admin, which is incorrect, right? Now it is taking admin and guest, which is also incorrect. So it will take the time, right? And when the username is Sunil and the password is Sunil, then it will provide us the result here. So it is slow, but as I already told you, it will provide you the right result or reliable result. So I'm pausing the video here, and when it provides the right information, then I'll show you. So now you can see here that we have the result here. This is the result. You can check here, account found. This is the IP address, username Sunil, password Sunil, and the success. So you can see here that so this was our command, right? And now you can see here that it has taken one from username list, one from password list, and you can see here that finally it has provided information that username Sunil and the password Sunil is correct. So we got the success message here. It means Medusa worked for us and provided us information regarding right username and password of file transfer protocol running inside Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can use password cracking using Medusa tool. So this is all about Medusa tool. In the next video, I'm going to use encrack tool to crack the passwords. Thank you.